You've seen it in the movies. A spaceship swerving left and right, dodging giant rocks in a packed asteroid field. But here's the truth. That scene is pure sci-fi. The real asteroid belt? It's so empty. You'd probably miss every single asteroid if you flew through it. Let's break the myth and take a real trip into one of the most misunderstood regions of our solar system. The asteroid belt is a massive ring of rocky leftovers orbiting the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. It's like the crumbs left behind after the solar system baked its planets. Chunks of rock and metal that never formed a full planet. There are millions of asteroids in the belt. Some are as small as pebbles. A few, like Ceres and Vesta, are hundreds of miles wide. Sounds crowded, right? Well, not quite. Let's talk distance. Imagine shrinking the entire solar system so that Earth and Mars are only 1 meter apart. The asteroid belt would stretch across a few meters. But the actual asteroids, they'd be tiny grains of sand spread across a football field. The average distance between asteroids in the belt is about 600,000 miles. That's more than twice the distance from the Earth to the Moon. You could pilot a spaceship through the asteroid belt millions of times and never hit a thing. In fact, when NASA sent the Dawn spacecraft to explore Ceres and Vesta, scientists had zero concern about it crashing into anything. So why isn't it the rocky danger zone we were promised? It comes down to gravity, specifically Jupiter's. Early in the solar system's formation, Jupiter's massive gravity stirred things up in that region so violently that the rocks never had a chance to stick together into a planet. Instead, they stayed scattered, and over time some were flung out entirely, while others settled into wide, lonely orbits. What remains today is the safest danger zone in space. Even if it's not an obstacle course, the asteroid belt is still incredibly important. Ceres, the largest object in the belt, has water ice, and maybe even an underground ocean. Some asteroids contain organic molecules, hinting at the building blocks of life. And let's not forget, asteroids from the belt may have brought water and other ingredients for life to early Earth. The belt is less like a minefield, and more like a cosmic treasure chest. So why does Hollywood keep showing it wrong? Because a quiet, empty belt doesn't make for good cinema. A spaceship gliding peacefully through empty space? Boring. But dogfighting through flying boulders? That's box office gold. We forgive them. But now you know the truth. So next time you watch a spaceship dodging asteroids every second, remember, space isn't that dramatic. And the asteroid belt, it's more space than asteroid. If you learned one thing in this video, like, subscribe and share this with your space or movie-loving friends.